So, hi guys, tuturuan ko kayo sa direct variation muna. Direct variation muna. Sorry kung magalaw ang camera kasi hinawakan ko lang. So, ito yung formula y equals kx where k is equals to yx. So, pwede mong gamitin ang y varies directly as x, y is directly proportional to x, y is proportional to x. Pwede mo yan gamitin sa paggawa ng statement. Equation into statement. Okay, so first is example number 1. Nagawa na kasi ako ng video dito. So, pero sobrang haba kaya make it shorter na lang. Kaya may mga sagot na. Statement into equation. So, the area, kung anong naka-parenthesis, kung big letter or small letter, dapat ayun din yung nakalagay dito sa answer, okay? The area of a circle varies directly as the square of its radius. So, A equals K kasi varies directly and R muna bago yung square niya, okay? Number 2 is Y is proportional to the cube root. Cube root. Pag may kasamang root ang sinasabi, ito yung root guys, okay? Pag cube lang, 3 lang. Ito lang, 3. Yung 3 dito. Okay? Hindi dyan. Cube root lang. Pag may root, dyan yung 3. Pag walang root na nakasali sa statement, dito lang, dito sa ganito. Y is proportional to the cube root of u. So, cube root of u. Kaya nasa loob yung u. So, next is the area of a parallelogram whose base is 10 cm. So, yung base, yung ilan na yung ano dito? So, dalawang variable ang binigay. Pero yung isang variable ay may value siyang binigay. Sabi niya, base is 10 cm. Varies that directly as its altitude and the base. So, first, ang unang gagawin natin is, iyan na muna natin yung unang steps. Ito, which is this. A of the parallelogram whose base is 10 cm. Wala mo na yan. Whose base varies directly as its altitude. So, yan. So, dahil may number yung B na binigay, yung number ilalagay natin siya sa unahan kasi number muna bago ang variable. So, yan. A is equals to 10 to K, A. Next naman is ito. C varies as the square root of the sum of the squares of A and B. So, sinabi dito, square root. Dito. Square root. Sinabi na siya. Pag sinabing sum, plus ang gagamitin, which is this. And pag difference, minus yung ilalagay mo dyan. C varies directly as the square root. Square root lang tawag dyan, guys. And sum of the squares, kasi may S yan. Kaya, so yung A tsaka B ay may tig-isang square. So, yan. Yun yung sagot. Next naman is, the cost of life insurance is proportional to the age of insured person. So, L, big L, equals K, and big letter A. Yan yung important formula. Yeah. Sorry guys kung shaky, okay? Equation into statement, direct variation. So, ito, yun na nga, yung tatlong statement na sinabi ko, ito, gagamitin natin. Yan, yun yung gagamitin natin. So, itong equation, gagawin natin siyang statement. So, ito na. Yan na yung sagot. Sabihin ko pa ba? So, Z varies directly as the square root of F. Tama. Next is, R is proportional to the square of N. Square of N. Square muna mauna. Hindi yung N square. Mali yun, guys. Y equals kx. Y is directly proportional to x. Yan na yun yung example na una-una. Next is, tells if the variable x and y vary directly or not. So, dito, ito yung formula na ating gagamitin. So, ilalagay natin sa taas yung value ng y, which is this, and yung value ng x na nandito sa taas. Yung value ng x, ilalagay natin sa baba. Yung y sa taas, okay? Kita nyo yan. Yung value ng y na una is 3. Yung x, 1. 6, Yan. Yan na, Next is, i-divide natin siya. Hindi ko na ano yan lahat, guys. Ito yung y, ito yung x. Diba? Yung hinanap natin dyan is constant variation. So, since magkakapareha sila ng sagot, 3, 3, ang sagot ay vary directly. Next naman, ito. Ganun lang din, ilalagay mo dito yung value ng y, dito yung value ng x sa baba. Next. So, yung value ng y natin is 1, yung value ng x natin is 1 din. So, yung value ng y natin dito is 3, x2. So, yan. 6, 3, 10, 4, 15, 5, 6, 21, 6. So, ang sagot dito sa 1 divide 1 equals 1. 3 divide 2 equals 1.5. 6 divide 3 equals 2. 10 divide 4 equals 2.5. 15 divide 5 equals 3. 21 divide 6 equals 3.5. So, dahil may decimal and hindi sila magkakaparehas ng number or answer is, ito ay not vary, or not lang. So, here, guys, constant of proportionality. Ito, guys, hindi ko na to ituturo kasi medyo nakalimutan ko na. Hindi ko na gets. Ito naman, t varies directly as the square root of L. If L is equals to 81, then t is equals to 10. Okay, so first, ilalagay muna natin yung, formula. T varies directly as the square root, nakalagay dyan, square root of L, where k is equals to, yung y dito sa taas, yung x dito sa baba. Which, yung y equals kx, diba? Yan. So, yung hanapin lang natin dito is yung k, kasi wala na siyang ganito, find x when y is equals 10. Yung x lang yung hanapin natin. Pero based on the statement din, okay? So, k equals, isulat natin, i-rewrite natin yung formula dito. Then, yung, given, L is equals to 81, T is equals to 10. Ito, guys, lang yan? Wala yan. So, k equals to, yung value ng T natin? 10. Yung L natin na may square root, 81. So, anong square root ng 81? 9. So, kaya pa ba natin yung lowest term? Hindi na po. Okay? Next naman. Ito. Wait lang, sagutan ko lang. So, ito na siya, guys. Ginawa lang natin dyan is, if y is equals to 12 when x is equals to 4. So, yan yung binibigay niyang variable. So, yeah. Yan. Ito yung formula. Yan. Itong dalawa. So, unahin natin hanapin yung k para mahanap natin yung y. So, k. I-rewrite natin yung formula dito. K equals over yx. Yan. Then, lagay nyo yung given na una. Ito. Y equals to 12. X is equals to 4. Then, yeah. Lagay nyo yung mga value ng, anong value ng y? 12. Value ng x, 4. So, ito, 4. Then, divide them. Equals 3. Next naman, y equals kx. So, dito, ilalagay na natin yung value ng k, which is 3. Diba? And then yung value ng x na binigay, pangalawang bigay, which is 12. Kayan lang natin to. Nung value ng k, 3. So, ito, 3. Itong x, value ng x natin, 12. So, equals to 36. So, wait lang yung inverse variation. Pinapag-aralan ko pa.